This is question number 16 in the June 2013 higher calculator paper. Okay, first of all, reading this question, it says S and T are points on the circumference of a circle, center O. PT is a tangent to the circle, SOP is a straight line, angle OPT is 32 degrees, and that's been given here. Work out the size of the angle marked X, and they want us to give reasons for our answer. So every bit of calculation we do, we need to actually show and indicate what reason we use. Well, one of the things that comes out of this question straight away is because it involves a circle, it talks about the tangent to the circle, and there are certain parts there I could recognize that I may well need to use some of the circle theorems to answer this question. And first of all, one of the facts that I know and I can mark in straight away is that this angle here is 90 degrees, and the reason for that, and I'll just draw a line going out here and I'll put the reason. So I will indicate that this is 90 degrees, and the reason, a tangent makes an angle of 90 degrees to the radius. Okay, so a tangent makes an angle of 90 degrees to the radius. This here, OT is a radius, TP is the tangent, and they make 90 degrees to each other. So, looking at this triangle, from OT, P, and then back to O, that triangle there, I can now work out this angle here at the center of the circle. I'm using the fact that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So to work out that angle, I'm going to do 90 plus 32, which is 122. 180, take away 122 is going to give me, and because it's a calculator paper, I'm just actually going to stick that into the calculator. 180 take away 122 equals 58 degrees. And the reason for that, angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. Okay, so knowing that this angle here is 58 degrees, I'm going to use a couple of angle facts and some really straightforward facts as well. We talked about the fact that O to T is the radius. However, O to S is also the radius, the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. That means that this distance here is the same as this distance here, and that makes this triangle STO. So STO is an isosceles triangle. So triangle STO is isosceles, right? And that means that this angle here, that's equal to X as well. So those two base angles are the same. And if this here is 180 degrees, sorry, this here is 58 degrees, then this angle inside that triangle STO is going to be 180 take away 58, which is equal to 180 take away 58, 122 degrees. And the reason is that angles in a straight line add to 180 degrees. Okay, so now I've got a triangle, and in that triangle I know the angle at the top, I know these two base angles are x, and I need to work out x. Because STO is isosceles and the angle at the top is 122, then 180 take away 122, that's going to give me 180 take away 122 is going to be 58. So those two angles will add up to 58. 58 divided by 2, 58 divided by 2 is equal to 29. That means x is equal to 29 degrees. And that is my result. That is what I'll put down as my final answer. Now all the workings are here in and around the diagram. You're given quite a bit of space for this question, and you could actually set it out elsewhere. However, every bit of working and all the stages are here, and you have sufficient, or there is sufficient in this response here to get the full marks, all 5 marks for this question. Make sure you understand it, and this is the type of question where it is possible to pick up quite a few marks if you don't get everything, but if you do, that is the result.